Okay, this growth strategy again, like content strategy, it will be same for it. It keeps on changing from platform to platform a little. There is no much major changes into it, but yes, there are good amount of changes. Like in oh shit, my system might restart. Uh, okay, so in case I disconnect, I will connect with you again. Okay, don't worry. So I was talking about fan base, fan or follower growth on any platform, except Instagram. Instagram doesn't have a paid marketing to increase your followers. Only Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, uh, TikTok don't have even. Yeah. Except Instagram and Twitter. Sorry, Instagram and TikTok, everyone has a paid campaign to increase your followers. Generally, how it works is uh, between 0 to 100 followers, people get it uh, by within a week by asking their FB friends or whichever friends they have on whichever platform you are. Okay, generally you complete 0 to 100 followers by inviting. How to invite? It's very simple. Go down on this page, and over here you will see an option to invite. Anyone can invite. Okay, it's not you can invite, anyone can invite for your page to like. For that, you don't have to share the access with them. Friends, family, whoever you want to consider it. Okay. Then after that, generally after that, the journey of 100 to 500 followers also start. This take around 28 days to 1 month. Okay. In that, what you do is you can do that is also is after friends, family, everyone invited in 7 days. Those who wants to like that, what you like your page. After that, what you will do is you will join the groups relevant to uh, okay relevant groups like if I have to join the groups India against China, for that I will search against China something, not pages. I will join groups. Okay, world class action lawsuit against it, $1 army. So these are various groups. Okay, these are various groups which are again against them. And when we talk about against them, if I post something like the alternative, I'm taking the same example of AC. The alternative to the Chinese ACs is Tata Voltas, which is 100% Indian, though there is no investment, and we should buy it. And we can talk to Tata Voltas as well. Okay, and if if we have connections and talk about them that you can buy specifically, and they are giving 10% discount or 20% discount if possible, that will boost their sales, and ultimately they are in profit. But at the same time, people are using that. So that gives the motivation because there is a connection between these groups and our page. Similarly, you can also do that, and generally between 100 to 500 like generally grow daily if you produce two content and post it on their pages. Okay, like that you will find 30, 40, 50 groups, and if each group you get one like each day, then you will easily reach to 500 people. Okay, now the problem starts. After that, how good your content is, but the growth will be slow. Okay, organic growth. It's not about sharing content. Those people you have got around 500 followers. Now the count you will have is growing slowly. You will get like the page which I have shown you has shown a growth of 500, 300 followers, but there is a huge mechanism behind it. Then also it is getting just 500 followers. But imagine your page don't have that huge mechanism which through which we are promoting those pages will get 10, 20, 30 page likes every 30 days, or one to two page likes every single day. Then how will you grow to a million? That's not possible. So what you will do is you will adopt a paid media strategy. Okay. And in paid media, you will target uh, the relevant audience, not everyone here. Because in free one, you have tried that, but now in paid one, you will target the correct audience. And when I talk about paid audience, you try to get 10, reach to around 10,000 to 50,000 followers. I would prefer you should try to get 50,000, 500 to 50,000 followers. Okay. And what are the expense to reach that follower? That depends on product type you're promoting and the audience size of it available in the market and the content you are promoting. Okay. Based on that, generally the cost per like would be around right now in COVID-19, it's super cheap, uh, and it is almost 1/20th. Okay. No, not 1/20th, 1/10th of it. So it will cost you around 0.5 paise per like, but in general, it will be around 3 rupees to 2 rupees. So you will be spending around a lakh. Okay. In dollars, sorry, in rupees, you will be spending around a lakh rupees in India. Now you will get 50,000 followers, and for another next 90 days, okay, you will run paid campaigns and very limited. Okay, very spending just 10 rupees or 50, 40 rupees a day, sort of, where you spend 1,000, 2,000, or 3,000 rupees to boost your post to reach to the audience. And if you're creating a good content, you can reach to another 70 from 50,000 to 75,000 followers, and growth and gradual growth of followers of 20, approximately 20,000, 25,000 followers generally you gain. Okay. After that, it will grow every month. Generally, after 50,000 followers, if your content is good, you start getting almost 1,000 or almost 100 to 200 followers on each day organically. If your content is good and you are producing around 3 to 5 pieces of content daily. Okay. After that, your page will again start. It will grow again with the speed of 300 to 500. Then again, what you have to do is you have to run a campaign for another 90 days approximately, or even you can run it for a short period of time. But I would prefer that you should run it for a longer period and try to reach to almost 5 lakh followers. Okay. And how to reach to 5 lakh followers is what will be the cost for it. Generally, the cost for 5 lakh followers minus 75, approximately 4 lakh followers. And during this period also, 25,000 will grow organically as well. So you have to grow approximately 4 lakh followers in paid would cost you around uh, if the content and everything is good, it will cost you what it cost earlier, a little lesser than that, approximately 8 lakh rupees or lesser. Depends again. Okay. Then you will reach to 5 lakhs and then the organic growth. Okay. In every 90 days would be almost 4 times. Okay. What has happened over here? Okay. So if you were growing 25,000 followers, now you will grow 1 lakh followers every 90 days. So from 5 lakh to 6 lakh. Okay, now it's your decision to take it ahead, and in the whole process, okay, in the whole process, you have spent around 9 lakh rupees, and number of days, if I give me a second, okay, so over a period of time, it would be around approximately an year. You, by spending 9 lakh rupees, you will get 5 to 6 lakh followership. Now let's talk about returns. Okay, you have spent 5.5 lakh rupees, sorry, 9 lakh rupees and an year, and creating content also would cost you around 25,000 a month, so would be around 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so it will be around 12 lakh rupees. The ROI, to be true, is zero. The ROI of the whole exercise is zero. Sorry, 3 lakh figure is for creating content. Content is not created free. You will be paying agency or human resource 20,000, 25,000 rupees a month. Then you would be almost spending 3 lakh rupees a month in any year. Okay, got it, Ranjana?
Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, the ROI is zero, to be true. Means return on these 12 lakh rupees is zero. This method or this strategy is followed by big brands, and they spend even more than that as well. Okay, for smaller brands, this is not a strategy. They don't spend any money on growing followership. Okay, somebody asks you to grow a followership, this should be the route to do it. But when you are a business owner and you are smart, you don't want to spend 12 lakh rupees for a return of zero. What you do is, instead of that, you do regular content. Okay, regular content, your 3 lakh rupees will be spent. And it depends, like you can find an agency in 10,000 rupees also, in 30,000 rupees also. It depends. Okay. So you create that content and you spend money on generating leads, on lead generation or website traffic or app install. Okay, whatever app installs or conversion on your website, if it is a e-commerce. Okay, you run paid campaigns for these three. Okay, and generally the ROI for these type of campaigns is 4 to 10 times. Okay,